It's been over a month since the city broke ground on the new Nicomekl River Bridge Replacement Project that will see vehicle lanes increase from 3 to 4 for this busy South Surrey corridor. Since work began, the decommissioned Bailey Bridge has been completely removed to make way for our new crossing. The new bridge along King George Boulevard will improve traffic flow for more than 26,000 vehicles that drive through this corridor every day and add new multi-use paths for walking and cycling to support healthy lifestyles. I'm pleased to share that work is well underway. Stay tuned for updates as this project progresses.